time and we've kept you here for long. Kaki asante for honoring me. I appreciate it and I don't take it for granted. Balibare meteigoro. Mbuyamole. Gakirende mogo gaki moto usoku. Thank you. I wrote something down because I didn't want to forget. So bear with me here. Greetings from the state of Minnesota, the great state of 10,000 lakes in Tundwata Amache. That's what's known for. My leadership team there appreciate you for welcoming me, and they send their greetings. So good afternoon, my dear people of Nyamira, abantu baminto. It is an absolute honor and privilege to stand before you today in the land of milk and honey, amatoke, avocados, all of those things. The land where my roots were planted and where my story of my life began. Thank you for this warm and heartfelt welcome. And first of all, again, as I've mentioned earlier, I want to give my heartfelt gratitude to His Excellency the Governor, Nyadibo. A true remarkable team for hosting this homecoming celebration. Your dedication to the development in Nyamira County and the care you show to the people is truly inspiring. Thank you. Thank you for the honor of this reception and for leading our community with such commitment. To my fellow leaders who have joined us here, both elected and appointed, Mr. Nyambati, thank you. Thank you for taking that honor of coming to Minnesota and celebrating with me. I felt like home was with me when you came. Thank you for that. To my fellow leaders, your presence here is a reminder of the strength of unity in a leadership. To the pastors and spiritual leaders present, I deeply appreciate your prayers and guidance. Nama Sabaino, that has allowed me to be in this moment. Thank you. I deeply appreciate that guidance from you, which is the bedrock of this community success. Amasabo. My mom talked about how we grew up. We wouldn't be here today. Most of you, if you don't know our family story, you go to mama wa America, Tata and my mom. They fought the immigration system for 11 long years. 11 years, but it's only by the grace of God that our case was overturned. He didn't give up. He knew that he needed to fight for his family. And Father, this moment, I honor you. Amen. This moment is for you and Mom and all of the sacrifices, all of the tears, everything that you've done to fight for this family. I thank you and I honor you. I hope you're proud. I hope you're proud. I want to, before I continue on, I want my husband to stand.